Imagine your Canva design as a stack of papers on your desk. Sending objects back or to front is like rearranging those papers. It lets you control what shows on top. Text you want to stand out goes to front like the top papers. An image you want behind the text goes back like a paper on the bottom. This keeps things clear and organized, making your design look professional. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's jump right into this video and subscribe for more videos if you haven't yet. So here we have all the videos here, actually all the elements, and you see this one is covering all the other elements here. So it's basically right in the front. Actually this one is, I see there's this text I don't need, so this element is right in the front, only the text, and this one is in the front. I can delete it, and now I want to send this back. Well, how you do it? If you right click, you can see align to page and then layer, and here in layer we have two options: send backwards and send to back. So if you click on send backward, it's only going to move one layer, just behind one layer that's in front. That was behind this element, and you moved it behind that element. So but if you actually go to layer and you click on send to back, it's going to send it right in the back of all of the elements. So another way to send to back is to go to position here, and here we see layers, and now we click on the layer, which is one that you see selected here, and if you want to bring in front, we can just grab it from there and move it right and at the top. So we have the element right at the top. Now if you want, let's say this element, and if you click, if you click on something, it will get selected here. If you right click and you see layer here, you can bring forward or bring to front. So I'm going to click on bring to front, and now is actually right in front this element. Can change the color so you can see better. This is actually a gradient, that's why it looks like this. So now this element is right in the front. So that's how you work with layers, and that's how you bring to front in Canva. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more.